everyone! Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. Today, we will make binangkal. Binangkal is a type of donut from the islands of Visayas and Mindanao in the Philippines. It is made from deep-fried dough balls coated with sesame seeds. Let's get cooking! We will need 2.5 cups of plain flour, cooking oil for frying, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and sesame seeds for coating. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Mix them together. Then make a hole. Pour the evaporated milk. Oil. Vanilla extract. And the egg. And mix them together until well incorporated. Using your clean hands, gather the dough and knead it until smooth. Then, scoop about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of the dough and shape it into a ball. And roll it to coat with sesame seeds. By the way, if you want it to stop from sticking into your hands, put a bit of oil in your hands before rolling it. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat and fry the dough by batch until it becomes brown. Then, remove it from the pan and drain the excess oil. And here's our finished product! This binangkal is so crispy and delicious and perfect for an afternoon snack. A good pair for your coffee and hot chocolate. And this is what it looks like inside. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! Lami!